Three lion kings stand before a furious river. The current is strong, the sound alone is terrifying. But there's no turning back, at least, not for all of them. The first one takes the risk. The water nearly sweeps him away, but he fights through. The second one follows. His powerful strides barely keep him afloat. Will he make it? But the third lion? He stops. He watches. And then, he turns away. Two made it. One walked away. Was it fear or wisdom? In nature, not every battle is worth fighting.